Hello everyone. Now today we are going to solve the exercise of chapter 7 of class 6. Now come to the question number first that says that how many C's are there in the following sequence which are immediately preceded by D. That means in the given series we have to find out how many C's which are immediately preceded by C. The meaning of preceded, that means before the C there should be a D. Now we have observed that series, and after that we have find out that this C is immediately preceded by this D. Again this C is also immediately preceded by this D. This C is also immediately preceded by this D. This C is also immediately preceded by D, and again this C is also preceded by immediately preceded by D. The rest of C's, suppose this is also C, but it is preceded by L, which is not asking in the question. We just have to find out which how many C's are there which are preceded by D. So how many? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are 5 C's which are immediately preceded by D. That will be our answer. Now come to the next question. It says that how many such letter are there, each of which are followed by a digit divisible by 2 in the following series. That means a kind of a series is already given. We have to find out how many such letters are there which is immediately followed by a number which is also divisible by 2. That means we'll see that from the starting, if we see this this is an alphabet A and it is followed by 9, but 9 is not divisible by 2. Again take another one, that is C. See this one, C, it is also an alphabet and it is followed by 2. So 2 is also divisible. If you divide 2, it will be completely divisible by 2. So that means one, this is one part. And again this H is also followed by 4, and it is thus this 4 is also divisible, completely divisible by 2. That means if you will cut short 4 by 2, so it will goes 2 times. That means this is also our answer. So how many letters are there? There are 2 letters which are immediately followed by a number which is completely divisible by 2. Now come to the next question. In the next question this is that Kim ranks 12th from the top in the class of 46. What will be her rank from the last? That means this statement is given for a class who has full strength of 46 student, and in this 46 strength Kim's rank is 12th from the top. So we'll first see that if from for example from here to here whole class are completed, so there will be the total number of students, it will be 46. If Kim's rank is 12th in the class, so before Kim there will be 11 students, and after Kim there will be 34 students, because 34 plus 11 it will be 45, and if we count Kim also, so they will make 46, which is the complete strength of a class. So in the last, what they are asking, what will be her rank from the last. So we have to say that what will be her rank from the last. Till here she will get 34 students, and her rank 34 plus 1, it will be 35th rank from the last. Now come to the next question. It says that arrange the given word in the meaningful sequence. That means we have to arrange the given words in a meaningful sequence. That means whether it could be an increasing order or in a decreasing order. But here it is says that a meaningful sequence. A meaningful sequence, that means when we complete this sequence, there should be a meaning. There should be a process. So here it is given key, door, lock, room, switch on. That means if we arrange all these letters in the form of this, we can say that first we'll take key to the lock and the door will be open, we enter into the room and then switch on the light. So what will be the sequence, proper sequence to make a meaningful sentence? It will be key to lock, to the door, into the room and switch on the light. Similarly, it is also quite same question. Here it is given 5 words, that is word, paragraph, sentence, letter, phrases. If we start writing, suppose if we start writing, first we'll write a letter. This letter become a word, this word become a phrase, and this phrase become a sentence. And after so many sentences, it will complete a paragraph. So what will be the sequence for the given question? It will be letter, word, phrase, sentence, and paragraph.